A committee of 5 is to be formed out of 6 gents and 4 ladies. A committee of 5 is to be formed out of 6 gents and 4 ladies. So, we have to form a committee of 5. Total should be 5. How many ways this can be done when at least 2 ladies should be included? The first one, at least 2 ladies should be included. So what are the various possibilities? 2 ladies should be included means at least 2. So we start with the 2. 2 ladies, and here it will be 3. Only then we can form a committee of 5. At least 2. So at least 2, what do you mean by at least 2? It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4 also. So 2, then you take 3. If it is 3, you will have to choose 2 from here, and then only you will get 5. And next it is 4. 4 and 1. That's all, because only 4 ladies. So 4 ladies and 6 gents. This is the committee we can form, the various committee that we can form. Now we have to find the total. The total number of ways you can select. So from 4 ladies, we are selecting, it's a combination sum. So it is 4C2. C is combination. Combination means selection. From 4, we are selecting 2. And, it's and 6C3. And means it's a multiplication. Whenever is and, it is multiplication. So 4C2 into 6C3, or this is one choice, or means plus. Remember that. What is the next choice? 4C3. 4C3, from 4 ladies we have to select 3. So how many ways can you select? 4C3 ways into 6C2, or whenever it's or, it is addition. Or is addition. So let us find this and then add. So we have to find 4C2 into 6C3 plus the total number of ways. The question is total number of ways. Number of ways is equal to 4C2 into 6C3 plus 4C3 into 6C2 plus 4C4 into 6C1. It is from 4 ladies, you are selecting 4. So 4C4. 6 gents, you are selecting 1, 6C1. So it is 4C2 into 6C3 plus 4C3 into 6C2 plus 4C4 into 6C1. Now how do you find 4C2? It is 4 into 3. Multiply 4 and 3. There are 2, your suffix is 2. Just multiply 4 and 3. 2 into 1. 6C3 means multiply the 3 numbers, that is 6 into 5 into 4. 3 numbers, 6, 5, 4. Divided by 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1. Plus 4C3 is also equal to 4C1, because NCR is the property of combination. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So 4C3 is also equal to 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4C1 is 4 itself. 4C1 is 4. 6C2 means 6 into 5, 2 numbers, 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. 4C4 is also equal to 4C, use the same property, N minus R. 4 minus 4, 0. 4C 0 value is 1. You should know all these, okay? So it is 1. 6C1 is 6. 4C1 is 4. So 6C1 is 6. So this is now, you can cancel this 3, 2, 6 and this 6. And this you can cancel. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5, 30 into 4, 120. Plus this 2 and this you can cancel. 6 into 5, 30 into 2, 60. Plus 6. So 120 plus 60, 180 plus 6, 186 ways. There are 186 possibilities, 186 ways you can select. From 4 ladies and 6 gents, we can select 5 people. Now the second condition is A committee, at the most 2 ladies are included. At the most. Totally there are 4 ladies and 6 gents. At the most. At the most means maximum is 2. At the most is 2. 2, it can be 2, it can be 1, or it can be 0. So at the most means maximum 2. So we start with 2. If I choose 2 here, total should be 5. So I should choose 3 here. 2, 3. If I choose 1 here, here I should choose 4. Only then the total will become 5. A committee of 5 has to be formed. Here if I choose nobody, there is 0. Here it will be 5. I can choose 0 also because at the most, maximum 2. So now what are the various possibilities now? From 4 we are selecting 2. There are 4 C2 ways. And is and here. You have to select 2 ladies and 3 gents. And means multiplication. 6C3. Or what is the other possibility? 4C1. From 4 we are selecting 1. 4C1 into 6C4. Or 4C0 into 6C5. Total number of ways will be 4C2 into 6C3 or means plus 4C1 6C4 plus 4C0 6C5. Now 4C2 into 6C3 we already found. 4C2 into 6C3 is 120. We will write that as it is. Plus 4C1 is 4. 6C4. Use the property. It is also equal to 6C. 6 minus 4, 2. So 6C2 is 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. Okay, 6C2 is 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. 4C0 is 1. 6C5 is also equal to 6C. Subtract these two. 6C1 is 6. So into 6. So this is equal to 120. This get cancelled. 30 into 2 plus 60 plus 6. So this is also equal to 186. So total number of ways is 186 ways in both